In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Java JDK in your Windows 11 PC. So to install the Java, first you need to open a browser and go to Google and search for Oracle Java. After searching for the Oracle Java, you will come to this oracle.com. So click on this link here. Then you'll find the option in the website called Download Java. Click on Download Java. Then you need to go down and find the Windows option. I can find the Linux and MacOS. Just find this Windows. Now you need to install the x64 installer, which is the exe file for the Windows 11 PC. So click on this download oracle.com Java and it will start to download, as you can see, which is only 205 MB. So you need to wait some minute to finish the download. So after finishing the download, you just need to go to the folder and double click to open the installer wizard. Click on yes. And now here's the installer wizard of the Java. Click on next. And this is the location where you install the Java. So for mine, it is the C folder and the program files file. So just click next here. Then it will start to install in my PC. Now Java is successfully installed on my PC. So just click on close. Now for the next step is to set the path of the Java. Click on this PC option. Go to your C folder. Click on program files. Now find here Java. Click on it. JDK 23. Now go to the bin option. And this is the path you want to copy here. So just click on this address bar. Now Ctrl+C to copy it from your keyboard. Now go to the search bar and search here for environment variables. Search for environment variables, and here you'll find the option called edit the system environment variables. Click on open. Now choose the advanced tab and go to environment variables. Now go to the path option. Click on edit. Now you just need to click on new and paste the path that you just copied. Then click on OK. Click OK. And now we just need to verify the installation process. Just go to the search bar and search for cmd. Now click on this command prompt open. To verify the Java installation, type Java here, space dash version. So we can see if the latest version installed or not. Press enter. Now as you can see, Java is successfully installed in my PC, which is also showing the Java version 23.0.1, which is the latest version of Java. So that's it, guys. This is how you can download and install the Java on your Windows 11 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.